Hello, everybody. My name is Dr. Lily M. Coley, and I'm here today to ask for your help in finding a United States Supreme Court attorney. We need an attorney who has the credentials and is able to file with the United States Supreme Court. We have a writ that we already started. We need the attorney to help us complete the writ and to file it with the United States Supreme Court. Without going into great details, our cases basically deal with no due process. We got no due process, we got no justice. And we are determined that we are not going to stop doing what we're doing until justice is served in our cases. One of the things we want to find out also too is about helping other people help themselves. So we have decided to submit new legislation that will help people not go through what we went through, not go through the circumstances that we had to go through. So we're going to submit new legislation, and then we will also try to give or help people help themselves with technical direction in getting a good attorney who would help them with their case. We realize that we're not the only persons that have experienced injustices, obviously not, with looking around the country. Nonetheless, as a result of that, we want to help other people. For those of you who don't know me, basically in a nutshell, my mother was a complete political powerhouse in the city of Philadelphia. My mother taught us about the rule of law, and she taught us about the Constitution. She said, you always follow the law. It's designed to work. She says, even when everybody else is doing the wrong thing, she said, you do what's right. That's what she told us. And guess what? We believed her. So now we are trying to do just that with filing in the United States Supreme Court. In addition, John Lewis, who is a very wonderful representative of Georgia, who's no longer here with us, left us a legacy. And in his legacy, he said, if you see something wrong, say something. So that's what we're doing. We have seen something wrong and we're saying something. And there's more to be said. So at the end of the day, I just want everybody to know our main objective for today is to try to get a United States Supreme Court attorney that can represent us so that we can help not just ourselves, but other people as we are going to submit new legislation as well. Thank you so much. You can leave your contact information in the chat. We'll provide that for you, and or contact us through via email. We'll contact you and give you more details. But we thank God for all of you, and we thank God for the opportunity. And lastly, I want to say about something about God. For those who also know me, they know, you all know, I'm a child of the King. I am a child of the King. I listen to God, I'm instructed by God, and I walk with God. So I'm doing that even now with this circumstance. I wouldn't be here if God didn't tell me to be here. So always consider the source, ladies and gentlemen, and always look at the facts and what God says about the circumstance and not all the shenanigans, because that don't mean anything. At the end of the day, if you know me, you know I'm a child of the King, and I'm not going to do anything without God's direction, period. So thank you so much. We look forward to keeping you updated on our next United States Supreme Court attorney, because we know you're out there and we're looking for you. So come, let us, tell us about what you can do, what you want to do. The case, as I said, is high profile. It's considered a tiny bit challenging, but not that much, because the record, thank God, speaks for itself. But we'll get into all those details later. Contact us via email or the social medias, and we would love to talk to you further about representing us and representing the country with the United States Supreme Court in regard to the concerns we have. Thank you. God bless.